are going to look at how we can find the theme of a text. Well, in order to find the theme of a text, we're going to have to figure out what a theme is. So let's see if we can do that. Theme is the message of a story or a poem. Theme is a big idea. It's different than the main idea. It's something that you can learn about life in general, and it's something that you could really apply to your life. You could apply it to many different books. Another way that I like to think about theme is I like to think about theme as theme message. And that kind of helps me remember that theme means the message or the message because it says me right here and it's always about something that I could apply to my. Okay, so let's look at some common themes. These are going to be themes that you could see in various books. Persistence pays off. Persistence would be like hard work and dedication, really working to try and accomplish something. Honesty is better than cheating. It's more important to be nice than to be popular. Be careful what you wish for. Love is the most important force. All right, let's talk about finding themes. Sometimes an author will come right out and state the theme of a story or poem. Let's read this short story and see if we can figure it out. I looked at all the candy I could buy. I had the dollar right here in my hand. But suddenly, I didn't feel hungry. I wish that I hadn't stolen the dollar. I wish that I hadn't taken the money from my brother's bank. I don't think I want to buy anything today, I muttered quickly to the clerk. Then I ran from the store. I had learned something important. It's better to be honest than to have money. So authors usually tell readers the theme towards the end of the story. If they're going to state it in the story, that's where we're going to look for it. So here's a hint. Look at the last page of a story to see if you can find a stated theme. We're going to look at this one. I'm going to read the last paragraph again, and then I want you to pause the video and write in your notebook what you think the theme is. I don't think I want to buy anything today, I muttered quickly to the clerk. Then I ran from the store. I had learned something important. It's better to be honest than to have money. So you're going to pause the video now and you're going to write down what you think the theme is of this story, the message that the author's trying to teach us. Pause now. All right, let's see what you got. It's better to be honest than to have money. Now that's a theme that could apply to various stories, and it's something that we could apply to our own lives. Okay, we're going to keep working on finding theme. Sometimes the theme is not stated. Then you need to make inferences. So we're going to make some inferences about what's happening in this poem. Let me read this poem first. A day to play got washed away. Rain comes down, covers town. Eyes are sad, rain is bad. Come downstairs, get the chairs. Blankets, sheets, looking neat. Inside forts instead of sports. Rainy day tears can turn into cheers. All right, so let's make some inferences. How does the speaker feel about at the beginning of the poem? Well, I can see that maybe they're feeling sad. They're bummed out. They're not going to get to play outside. Now, how does the speaker, how do their feelings change towards the end of the story? Well, it looks like they're having fun. It said tears are turned into cheers. Things are looking neat. Okay, so let's look at our choices and see if we can find the theme. Here are the choices. Persistence or hard work pays off. Good can come from bad. And love conquers all. I want you to pause the video and write down what you think the theme of this poem is. Write down which one you think is the theme of this poem. Pause the video now. Okay, we'll see if I come to the same one that you guys did. So I'm looking at this one and it says love conquers all. I don't think that this poem has anything to do with love at all, so I'm going to cross that one off. This one says persistence pays off. Persistence is hard work and really sticking with something. I don't really think that the speaker of this poem is working hard at anything, so I'm going to cross that one off. Now I'm left with good can come from bad. Now I need to think. I think this theme can be supported with details from the text. Let me look and see. The day started out badly because of the rain, so that's the bad part. The person was sad. They felt like rain was bad. The speaker built forts indoors. They said those were pretty neat. The speaker realizes that rainy days can be fun. Tears turned into cheers. So I do think there's evidence that supports that good can come from bad. All right, let's review. What have you learned? What is a theme? I want you to pause the video now and write down in your notebook what you think a theme is. Pause now. Okay, let's check and see what you got. Theme is the message of a text. It's something you can apply to your life. Okay, what else have you learned? Well, how can I find the theme? I want you to pause the video now and write down the 2 ways that you could find the theme in a piece of text. Pause now. Okay, let's see what you came up with. Well, sometimes the author will state it at the end, and we just have to look for it there. But sometimes we have to use clues to figure out the theme. We have to use our inferencing skills. All right, you guys did a great job.